If I could go back to the beginning of my crypto journey, I'd do one thing differently. I'd stop chasing hype and start following a system. In this video, I want to show you exactly what I wish I had known before I ever placed my first crypto trade, and how the crypto code would have saved me time, money, and stress. See, when I first got into crypto, I did what everyone else did. I bought coins based on Twitter trends, I watched influencers, I jumped in too late and sold too early. But it wasn't until I found a structure and an actual plan that things started to turn around. That structure came in the form of the crypto code. Here's what it includes: wavebot, a 24/7 trading bot that scans for high-probability setups and executes trades while you sleep. Premium trade alerts, signals with entry, stop loss, and take profit points that win 84 to 90% of the time. A full training platform with 90-plus videos that explain everything from setting up your first wallet to trading with precision. And a community, real coaches, real traders, and access to Joel and Adam's real-time portfolio. This isn't just about making money, it's about learning the right way to play the game. If you're new to crypto or just tired of going in blind, I've got a free guide that breaks it all down. It's called How to Automate Crypto Profits in Just 1 Hour. Even if you're brand new. The download link is in the description. Grab it now and skip the mistakes I made.